Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which two functionalities does Cisco Expressway provide in the Cisco collaboration architecture? Choose 2. Option A. Survivable remote site telephony functionality. Option B. MGCP gateway registration. Option C. Secure business-to-business communications. Option D. Customer interaction management services. Option E. Secure firewall traversal for remote devices. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Secure business-to-business communications. Option E. Secure firewall traversal for remote devices. Question 2. An engineer must extend the corporate phone system to mobile users connecting through the internet with their own devices. One requirement is to keep that as simple as possible for end users. Which infrastructure element achieves these goals? Option A. Cisco Express Mobility. Option B. Cisco Expressway C and Expressway E. Option C. Cisco Unified Border Element. Option D. Cisco Unified Instant Messaging in Presence. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Cisco Expressway C and Expressway E. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.